Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. Alright, so first up, go ahead and click on the link in the description or in the pinned comments and you will be redirected to this exact page. But what you'll do next is just basically click on create right here or create at the very top. It's up to you. Okay? Just click on it. And the easiest way to create or sign up for Epidemic Sound right here is to connect via Google or Apple. Okay? But if you want to, if you do have any other emails like Yahoo, Outlook, you can just go ahead and sign up using this one right here and add in your preferred password if you want to, and then just click on continue. But this time, I'm just going to go ahead and click on continue with Google right here, as this is by far the easiest one. So when you go ahead and click on it, it will ask you to select a Google account that is saved in your browser. If you don't have any, you can just go ahead and log in with your Gmail. Now, once logged in, go ahead and tap on continue right here. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, the Epidemic Sound website will now go ahead and try to open. Now it's going to ask you which category best describes you. Okay? If you want to, you go ahead and select one, but in my case, I'm just going to go ahead and click on next right here, next, and then you have the option to try the studio right now or explore the catalog. So let's just go ahead and click on explore catalog. Okay, so here we now have the website. And if you want to discover the studio, just click on studio right here and continue. That's just basically it. That is how you sign up for Epidemic Sound. And if you want to know more about Epidemic Sound, go ahead and check our channel out. We have a ton of videos about it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.